consists, we now know, after many, many years of research by numerous scholars, including myself, we know now that Sumerian literature consists primarily of epics, myths, hymns, laments, and so-called wisdom literature, which consists of proverbs, fables, and essays of various sorts, especially essays in relation to education. That tells us something about the old education. We know now, after many, many years, that there are about 20 myths. Many of them have been translated in part, but the situation is still in flux. Things are still myths are still being translated. We have 9 epic tales, so that we can now speak of a Sumerian heroic age of about 2500 or even earlier BC. That would include, of course, the famous hero Gilgamesh, but not only Gilgamesh, that has been known for many, many years, but also his predecessors, such as Anmerkar and Lugalbanda, who preceded Gilgamesh, and about whom we have several heroic tales, several epic tales. It includes, in addition to epics and myths, and those are the two aspects of the Sumerian literary genre that I particularly specialized on. And also one other genre that I specialized on, which maybe while the others are very happy, joyous things, the others are lamentations, like lamentation over the destruction of Sumer, lamentation over the destruction of Ur, lamentation over the destruction of Nippur, which gives, in which the poet gives his idea of how and why these cities and Sumer were destroyed, and depict some of the agonies and the wretchedness and the misery of these conquests. Certainly matters quite unknown until these lamentations came into vogue. So we have a good many